Earth, our home planet. The place where we, as humankind, has grown from our infancy on the steppes of Africa to globalization and expansionism. We humans have used this earth for many a million years, but at times of reckon and the planet needs healing. For although it has stood for billions of years, we are ruining it. We are demolishing the planet for resources, such as metals, fossil fuel, and other things we deem necessary to keep our current social structures. We build machinery to extract and take from nature. We are the only species in the entire history of Earth that are no longer reliant upon Earth's doings, but rather Earth is reliant on what we do to it. We have become the species of dominance, not just in the food chain, but of the solar system. But since we cannot reach anywhere else but Earth, well, it's taking its toll on the planet. Earth is no longer spriteful and filled with nutrients and other things that might save and help species live from it. Just because we, humans, have decided to demolish and take land from where animals once lived. It may be argued that this is a necessary evil because we are the dominant species, and to keep the ecosystem as it is now, well, sacrifices has to be made. Well, that is an argument that is defensible and can be told in a reasonable manner. But there's no way around that we humans have destroyed our planet, demolished places where animals have lived for more than 100 million years. We pump gases, environmental hazards out into the atmosphere. Why? For our own gain. Earth is no longer a place where it's just you alone. It's every species versus us. But we still win. We have the might and the brain power to create astonishing sights, to create machinery and architecture unlike anything. And yet, we ruin so much of our beloved planet. We do this to create energy, to create housing, to create a better living for ourselves and our species. But this destroys, this takes, and maybe it does those two things more than actually giving to ourselves. We pump our planet for its resources, and we are emptying it. One day in the future, there might not be anything left, because we've taken it. And it is to be argued that this machinery is both a good thing, and technology is amazing, but it might lead to the downfall of everything we hold dear, as resources become scarcer. and from the clouds of dust we will only have machinery, cold steel left.